Lesson 11:3, Circles and Circumference. So a circle is the set of all points in a plane that are the same distance from a given point, which is also called the center. So the center of the circle is identified with the dot. The distance from the center of the circle to the outside edge is called the radius. The distance from one side of the circle to the other that crosses through the center is called the diameter, but it must always cross through the center. And then the distance around the outside of a circle, or kind of the perimeter of a circle, if you wanted to think of it that way, is called the circumference. So the formula for circumference can be written two ways. It can be written as pi times diameter, if you're given the diameter. If not, then you can write it as 2 times pi times radius, if you're given the radius. So it just depends on which way the problem is actually written. So for this example, we have to find the circumference of the circle, and we know that circumference is pi times diameter, but we actually have the radius here. So I'm going to show you two different ways. You can do it solving with the pi times diameter, because radius is always half of the diameter. So you could just multiply this radius by 2. So 4 times 2 would be 8, and then you would just multiply that by your 3.14, which would give you approximately 25.12. You could also write it out using the circumference is 2 pi r. So you have 2 times pi times r, which is 4. So you do 2 times 3.14 times 4, which gives you approximately 25.12. So no matter which way you do it, you still get your same answer, just making sure that you're using the appropriate circumference formula. Pause the video to complete the lesson review. Make sure you show me this lesson review for verification of watching this video.